Still stuck in the old ways of tracking attendance? Paper logs, spreadsheets, and unreliable biometric systems slowing you down? Managing attendance manually is time-consuming, prone to errors, and frustrating for both employees and HR. Meet DeskTrack's smart attendance management system, the seamless, automated way to track attendance effortlessly. DeskTrack, employees can clock in with just a click, managers get real-time insights, and HR saves hours of manual work. Automated tracking ensures accurate work hours, no manual inputs needed. Track employee locations to ensure they are clocking in from the right place. Perfect for remote or on-site teams. Easily assign shifts, track leaves, and ensure smooth workforce planning. Auto-generate accurate attendance reports for quick payroll processing. With DeskTrack, you save time, reduce errors, and boost overall productivity, all while keeping your workforce happy. Try DeskTrack for free today.